In today's video, we are going to show you how to compress a PDF in iLovePDF. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once you are in the homepage, look for the Compress PDF tool and click on it, which is going to be this option. Or you can go to the top menu, click the All PDF Tools dropdown. You see there is also the option to compress your PDF. What will happen is you'll be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do is simple. You can select the PDF file that you want to compress by selecting it on your computer, or you can drag and drop the files. And what will happen is, as you can see, all I have to do now is simple. You just have to click the compress PDF. Once you've selected a compression level, iLovePDF will begin processing your document. The compression process usually takes a few seconds. When the compression is complete, you will see a download button automatically and then click the save button. It's super simple. And basically that's it for today's video on how to compress a PDF in iLovePDF. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.